Not sure what men find attractive? To capture a man's attention or deepen a relationship, several key actions are effective. Be assertive by initiating contact, as most men appreciate a woman making the first move. And use subtle body language like the chin down, eyes up pose. Facilitate conversation by providing an easy starter, such as a book, and share your quirky, authentic interest, which are often the most endearing qualities. Signal your interest by rewarding his humor and making him feel needed or knowledgeable by asking for advice or help. Flirtatious physical touch is a powerful way to increase intimacy, while showing an uninhibited enjoyment of life, such as by ordering indulgent food, suggests a relaxed connection. Finally, plan dates that involve excitement or fear, as these heightened emotions can significantly boost attraction.